Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear students, this is for class 4th. As you know, we have already completed 4 paras of this lesson, which is entitled as "With a Little Bit of Luck." Today we will move ahead from para 5. As you know, this is all about a man whose name is Joe. Joe is a poor man, and he's in search of a job. He feels quite frustrated, quite depressed, and quite dejected at home because he does not have enough money to fulfill the needs of his family. As we know, his son is in dire need of a pair of boots, and his daughter Ellie, she is in need of a frock, and Joe himself, wants to buy a suit for himself. His wife is not keeping good. He wants to take her wife out for a holiday, but he could not, he could neither get a pair of boots for his son, nor he could get a frock for his daughter, nor he could take his wife away for a holiday. So all these things now simultaneously tell upon his nerves. So he's absolutely sad, and simultaneously he does not have a job. So one evening, while he was on way to his home, he found a necklace lying on the grass. Initially, he was very happy to find it because he thought that he will sell it out for £100, and £100 are good enough to fulfill all his needs, to fulfill all his requirements. But since this Joe, although he was a poor man, but he was an honest fellow at the same time. So he went home and asked his son to take the necklace to the police station. Tell the officer, I found it on the grass by the roadside. So instead of selling this necklace, what he did is expected from an honest fellow, because he could have sold this necklace for £100, but he did the opposite. He sent his son to the police station for what? To inform the officer there about finding this necklace by the roadside. So this was an honest gesture from Joe, and this indicates, or this determines, that Joe was a gentleman, that Joe was an honest man. He was not a dishonest man. He was not a thief, and nor he was greedy, but he was an honest fellow. It is because of his honesty that he sent his son to the police station to report the loss of this necklace, or so to inform the officer about finding this necklace by the road side. So John ran along to the police station. So John, his son, he went to the police station as per the directions of his father. He knew Mr. Peters, the police inspector. He knew. Who knew? John, the son of Joe. He knew the police inspector, whose name was Mr. Peters. He asked him hopefully, son, whose name was John. John ने उससे बड़े यकीन से पूछा, is there a reward for the finder? क्या जिसने ये नेकलेस उठाया है, या जिसने इसको ये नेकलेस तुल वो ये वापस करने, क्या इनसे खतर reward? Mr. Peters laughed. The inspector laughed. Why? This necklace isn't worth more than a shilling or two. Hey, अथ पर क्या अवार्ड आस मिसाल इंस्पेक्टर असुन ये सिर्फ अगर हम इसको अपनी ज़बान में कहेंगे ये अथ क़ीमत ये रप या 2 रपी, यह बोड़ या क़ीमती चीज़ कह. इट मस्ट बी मर्थास कूर तम सुंद, ये उसी का होगा. द गर्ल इज़ वेरी फॉन्ड ऑफ इट. और वो जो गर्ल है वो उसको ये बहुत पसंद है, तम से रोमुत ये. हर मदर हैज़ कम इन टू फाइंड आउट एनी वन हैड ब्रॉट इट इन. उसकी माँ आई थी तो सो माँ खबर यह मा तुलमुत कस मा ओन योर देर वोंट बी अ रिवार्ड आई एम अफ्रेड। इंस्पेक्टर ने कहा शायद इसमें कोई रिवार्ड नहीं होगा, मुझे डर है और इस नेकलेस पर कोई रिवार्ड नहीं होगा क्योंकि इस नेकलेस की कीमत सिर्फ 1 या 2 रुपये हैं, इसलिए इस पर कोई रिवार्ड नहीं होगा। जॉन वेंट होम एंड गेव हिज फादर द न्यूज़। जॉन आव वापस एमन पन्निस मलिस। दिस only shows what an unlucky fellow I am, said Joe. Joe तिमोन पज पौट छुस बह बदकिस्मत इंसान, बह छुस पज पौट बदकिस्मत इंसान। हालांकि he was expecting a prize, he was expecting a reward for it, but there was no reward as per the statement of the police inspector, because according to the inspector of police this necklace was not, it wasn't worth more than a shilling or two, so there was no reward on it, but this was a statement of the police inspector. John went home, and when he went home he told his father accordingly what he was told by the inspector there in the police station. And Joe himself, he felt that he was really a unlucky fellow. The next morning Mr. Jonas, Martha's father, came to visit them. अगली सुबह जो मार्था जिसका ये हार खो गया था उसका बाप वहाँ आया पुलिस स्टेशन में. गुड मॉर्निंग ही सेड टू द जोज वाइफ. उसने जो की वाइफ को गुड मॉर्निंग कहा. आई केम टू थैंक यू योर हस्बैंड फॉर रिटर्निंग मार्थास नेकलेस. मैं इसलिए आया हूँ क्योंकि मैं आपके हस्बैंड का शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहता हूँ क्योंकि उसने मेरी बेटी का हार मतलब रिटर्न किया, वापस किया. आई वॉन्ट हिम टू वर्क फॉर मी एज ए गार्डनर. मैं चाहता हूँ कि वो मेरे यहाँ गार्डनर की हैसियत, गार्डनर मतलब को द वन हु लुक्स आफ्टर द गार्डन, यानी कि बागबान. आई वॉन्ट एन ऑनेस्ट फेलो. मुझे एक ईमानदार इंसान की तलाश है. माई ओल्ड गार्डनर वॉज वेरी डिसऑनेस्ट. उसमें प्रोन बागबान वॉज डिसऑनेस्ट, वॉज बीमान. प्लीज आस्क हिम टू कम एंड सी मी. जो वेंट टू सी हिम द नेक्स्ट डे. तुम मुझे मेहरबानी कर सुबह में समकुन. Mr. Johns liked Joe and gave him a job. Miss Hoye very पसंद अमिस job. Both Mr. and Mrs. Johns were kind and friendly. दुश्वे भाई असल Mr. Johns and Mrs. अमिस दुश्वे बड़ kind असल बेस बड़ friendly. Joe was all smiles when he returned. इसी गरा he was बड़ खुश. I've got an excellent job, he told his wife. In the money pani Mrs. maybe a बेहतरीन job and my first week's wages in advance. Be mulum गोंड का advance. Here you are, boots for John, frock for Ellie, and a dress for you. I am the luckiest man in the world. Now, same man is saying a different statement. Initially, he was very unhappy about his luck. Now he is very happy about what he got. He got a job, and he got his first week's wage in advance. Now he bought boots for John, the long-standing desire of his son John. He also got a frock for his daughter Ellie, and he also got a dress for his wife. Now he says that he is the luckiest man in the world. Who says? Mr. Joe, the same man who you read about in the very first para, when he was saying that he is an unlucky man on the earth. Now he is saying he is a lucky man on the earth. Now he has money, he has job. And to think that a mere necklace did all this. It is not actually the necklace that did this miracle, but it is the honesty of the man which transformed his life, which made him a happy man, from an unlucky man to a lucky man. The credit should be given to the honesty of this man. But no, that's wrong, Joe. It wasn't the necklace that did it. It was your honesty. So we can say, therefore, it was his honesty. In taking it back when you thought it was worth 100 points, you have changed our luck. You have. She was right. Their luck turned from that very day. उसी दिन से उनकी किस्मत जाग गई. यानी इस वनो इत पॉइंट you say honesty is the best policy. If you are supposed to draw the message from the poem, what is that? Honesty is the best policy. Honesty is the best policy. And we must be honest always under any circumstances. हमें हर वक्त वो किन्हीं कैसे भी हालात हो, हमें ईमानदारी नहीं छोड़नी चाहिए। ठीक, ये जान की, ये जो की ईमानदारी है, जिसने जो को काम दिलाया, जिसने जो को पैसे दिलाए, जिसने जो की सारी मुश्किलात को सॉल्व किया। इसीलिए हमारे हमारे लिए भी इस लेसन में सबक है। वो क्या है कि हमें हर हाल में, हर काम में ईमानदार ही रहना चाहिए। थैंक यू।